Ay simula na ng pagdating ng
Through our prayers and the people who helped us, we did not expect to achieve something like this. To see a president, someone like Duterte, receive a warrant of arrest.
Itigil ang pamamaslang! Duterte panagutin ng mga kabataang Pilipino. Kaya dapat hindi tayo tumigil.
Patay ang karapatan at kalayaan ng mamamayan. Ngayon nandito ang taong bayan hinggil sa biktima ng huwad na kontra.
This is only the start of our fight. Our justice has not yet been achieved because there's still a lot of things that will happen. But we will not stop fighting.
Duterte panagutin!
Itigil ang pamamaslang!